Hi, I'm Stephen Roantree and I'm the Director of Technology Services at Lionbridge in Dublin. I'm here to talk to you today about connectors and marketing technology. So, are you a global marketeer that needs to go to multilingual sites and release multilingual campaigns? Do you have the need for speed, the need for cost controls, and the need for high quality translations? Are you spending too much time on complex localization processes? If so, stay tuned. So, how does marketing technology play a part in the digital marketeer's life? Well, the answer is it's a complex scenario. So, chiefmartech.com yearly have released a list of all of the various marketing technology solutions that are in the marketplace. This year, there are over 5,000 different solutions available to marketeers. So their world is very complex. From digital asset management systems, content management systems, we have product information management systems and marketing automation tools. There is source content across all of these systems, delivering content to various multi-channels. It's quite a complex scenario and a changing scenario that a digital marketeer works in. So, can you imagine a world where the marketeer gets even more complex, where they have to deliver multilingual campaigns across all of these source systems and across multilingual sites, 100 languages, 100 markets, etc. Their world gets very complex. In fact, what we have seen in a big problem in a lot of the companies is that the marketeers end up being copy and paste factories. So if you can imagine a 100-word email campaign that costs a nominal amount in terms of translation, and if you consider the costs involved in manual effort, it's quite a lot. So if you think of a marketeer that copies that email, sends it out for translation, receives the translation back, has to copy each of those translations into the source system and then publish, it's very costly. So luckily Lionbridge has a solution to this through connectors. Lionbridge has built out-of-the-box connectors to most of the leading platforms. A connector connects your source system to Lionbridge's cloud translation environment, giving you, your marketeer, one single access, one button to click to send to translation from within their source system. So files get sent to Lionbridge for translation, they get translated and get returned automatically into your source system in the right language, in the right place. This creates a streamlined process, which means you get a unified process, which means you get consistent translation, time to market is no longer a problem, and costs are reduced. So if you're a marketeer that has the headache of dealing with multilingual campaigns and you are doing a lot of copying and pasting, rest assured Lionbridge has a solution. With the right combination of marketing technology, Lionbridge connectors, and the Lionbridge cloud translation environment, your headaches will soon be solved.